the shape in this hoof fungus kind of looked weird. And there's a couple other ones here. But I went to touch it, and it's all white. So I'm thinking that's some kind of mold maybe eating them. I don't know. There's one over there. Wouldn't think it's spores because the spores. Here, let's see how it works if I tip me upside down. That is an older spore surface. I don't know. I guess it'll be sporing and don't look bad to me. Could be the spores on the top. Interesting. I'm gonna leave it me. They're sporing too? Well, I'm gonna leave it me whether it's mold or it's them actually sporing. I don't want to disturb it. Oh, look at them. Nice. Those are nice tall ones. Those ones over there were flat. But yeah, they're probably sporing. Really neat. Yeah, it looks like they're sporing. Okay. That's good. Very, very cool. Big hoof fungi. I guess we're not collecting them right now. I let them spore and make more. Okay, thank you. I don't want to step in the spider web. Oh, neat. Little tiny ones. It comes right up in the camera here. Right against that dark tree. Nice. Neat. Yeah. There we go. That tree's kind of dead. That they're growing on. They help make this woods not a garbage dump, you know what I mean? Nature's garbage is something else's food. There is no waste. It's a cycle. There's only the waste that we bring in here. We take it out and then we put it back as waste. Those are some awesome trees right there growing in a circle.